Hello, and welcome to Ham Radio Nation. My name is Ken, K9KEN, this guy here. Um, I got a few emails over the last couple of months about people being lost and not being able to figure out how to get around on this site after they first join up. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial here on some of the basics. First thing you want to do after you log in is you're going to notice here where it says Profile. If you mouse over it, you'll see Edit Profile Information, Change Profile Photo. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Edit Profile Information, which is going to take you to this page here. So you notice you got four tabs here: Personal Information, Contact Information, Amateur Radio, and Photo. You're going to want to go through these tabs and fill out all this information, or not. You don't have to do it all, but the stuff that interests you and you want displayed on your profile, you're going to want to fill in. On the contact, not the contact page, but the personal information page, you'll notice simple stuff like gender, about me. The about me box does allow HTML images. If you want to pop some images in your profile there or something, that's cool. Down here, you'll notice it says QSO log. If you're a Ham Radio Deluxe user and you also have an account at hrdlog.net, you're going to want to copy this line right here, the whole line from bracket to bracket, and paste it in the window up here. You're also going to notice right here where it says call sign. After you paste it up here, you're going to want to change that to your call sign like I have here. What this is going to do is it's going to display on your profile your last 15 QSOs, your on-air status, where you're listening, the frequency, the mode, so on and so forth. If you've got that account and you want that information displayed on your profile, that's how you're going to accomplish that. We'll go over to the contact information page here. There's a little bit more than the contact information page here, but basically you're going to want to go through this and fill out any of the information that interests you, like your first name, previous call signs, your license class. You had to actually do on sign up, so that'll already be filled in. We got a website listed, an IRLP node, Echolink node. If you use the Gladstone family PSK reporter, you can put your call sign in right here, and on your profile, again, let's go back there. You'll see right here in my PSK reports. If you click that, it'll take you to the PSK reports website and automatically look up your name. So if that's something you do, PSK 31, 63, 125, whatever, you might want to fill that out. That way people can see your PSK activity and stuff like that. Let's see, anything else here that's really something you ought to know about. If you, on your profile, there is a maps page. If you look here, it'll show a map. If you want this map to be more accurate, you're going to want to fill out this stuff here, your street address, your city, state, country, and your zip code. Without this information, the arrow on the map here, or the pinpoint, will actually center in your zip code instead of being more accurate. So if you want a more accurate map, you're going to want to fill in all of that information. Let's see, we're going to move on over to the amateur radio tab here. Here's another thing for HRD log. If you put your call sign in here, that actually displays this page here, whereas the first one I showed you displays this. But this one here is actually displayed if you enter a call sign here. And see, you can list your clubs, groups, awards, your radios, your antenna setup, other equipment, software setup, so on and so forth. Here on the photo tab, you can change your photo to anything you want. It's up to you. After you've done all of that and you got your profile set up the way you want, you'll see all this information on your profile here. You notice a lot of these are actually linked. they will link to other stations or other members who are in that. Like I just clicked on Wisconsin, so it's showing me the 46 members here that have actually filled out the state field and are currently in Wisconsin. So that's kind of a neat feature. You'll see that quite a few of these are actually linked. If you're interested in finding someone else who is running a G5RV, click the G5RV link there, and it'll show you all the members that are running the G5RV. Here we got 115 members that are running a G5RV. So that's an interesting thing to know. Moving on, if you go over here to My Apps, you'll see the arrow like you did on the profile here. And this will show you things like setting up your map, your blog. You can create polls, your activity in the forums, do reviews, set up your videos. You can add and edit repeaters, data feeds, add music to your profile, submit documents, list the business, your business, or interesting businesses in the area that you know of. You can make some quizzes, connect to Twitter, all kinds of neat crap that you can do in here. So look around and experiment. If you're going into anything like classifieds and stuff like that, there's not actually like a post button or something. You have to actually come back in here, and if you want to do classifieds, you'll come down to classifieds, click it, and then it'll prompt you to create a classified and stuff here like post new listing. And it's pretty simple. Give it the title, description, pick a category, and post it and decide who wants to see it, so on and so forth. Next thing that's kind of important is the settings over here. These are your account settings and your privacy settings. If you go to account settings, you'll see here you can change your email address and your call sign if you need to. Upgrade your call, or you get a vanity or something. Here we've got email notifications. Which of the following things do you want to receive email notifications for? As you can see, there's quite a list here of things that can happen on the site, and you'll receive an email for each and every one of these by default. If the email's starting to get a little out of hand, or you just don't care if someone leaves a comment or someone receives a new classified, you're going to want to check the things you really don't care about or don't want to receive notification about. Although you do that, you will still receive notification on the site. When you have a new item pending, you'll see a little pop-up here that says like two notices pending. You'll click that, and it'll show you all of the stuff that has gone on since you've been gone, replies to your posts, things like that. Come over here to the privacy tab. If you got someone who's bugging you or you just don't want to hear from, you can add a person to your block list. If you want to show who views your profile so you can see who has looked at your profile, you're going to want to turn this on. That would be here on the What's New tab, or the user home, where you'll end up when you first log in. And you'll notice here that I've got 30 profile views. I just reset this yesterday. And then you'll have a link here now that you didn't have before that'll show you who's actually viewed your site or your profile. Let's see what else. I should pretty much cover it. Look around, don't be afraid to experiment, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I like hearing from everybody, good or bad. If you got some ideas for the website, let me know. This is K9, KEN. My name is Ken. Welcome again, and thank you for joining Ham Radio Nation.